Hello, welcome to my show. My name is Benjamin and you're watching Benicarus Trades. This is my financials market wrap up for December 5th, 2023. And we had an interesting day because job openings slide to 8.7 million in October, which is the United States job openings, and that was well below the estimates. So the market took it, I guess, nicely, at least the bonds did, because a rate hike seems less likely and maybe even a rate cut is in store for us earlier. Let's see if that's the case. We will see next year probably. So let's check out the charts. S&P 500, or I usually trade the spiders. SPY is basically flat for the day. It hasn't been doing very much for the last couple of days, which is fine, of course. QQQs went up a little bit, especially Apple was super strong, advancing more than 2%. IWM pulling back a little bit, especially after the last 2 days of high gains. I don't see that as a big surprise. Dow Jones also going down a little bit, not a big deal at all, maybe taking a little bit of a breather here. And my favorite, of course, TLT. I still have a position in this symbol. Now, if we check out the weekly charts for crude oil, we can see it is going down quite a bit. So on the one hand, it seems to be the case that it is, of course, helping inflation. But on the other hand, could we see a demand destruction happening already? So less and less companies are maybe demanding crude oil to convert it into energy to make things with it, which is maybe a bad sign for the economy. So here on the heat map, we can see that Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, basically the Magnificent Seven, are advancing quite a bit, helping the markets to not go completely red. On a sector basis, we have technology, communication services going up quite a bit. As for me, I'm still in 3 trades today, actually two trades. One is Intel, let's check that out. So here we have the Intel chart. It is going down quite a bit. This candle could mean that either there is indecision, or actually I believe there might be a reversal coming up soon, because the volume of the candle is quite a bit lower than the previous ones, which could indicate that everyone is done selling. They cannot find any more buyers. Our slow stochastic indicator is going down, however, so I am still willing to see if the Intel symbol is going to go down a little bit more. So here we have the SPY. The SPY is a position I entered almost 2 months ago on October 3rd. And I kind of sold it. Now my price target was $460, but I didn't quite reach it. It almost happened a few days ago, but it does start to feel a little weak, and there is a humongous gap. I could envision that this gap is going to be filled. I'm not sure exactly when. Of course, everyone is expecting a Santa Claus rally. We will see about that. Anyway, I find that I made a nice profit on the SPY, which is completely fine, that I took the profit off the table before it actually hit my price target. And last but not least, we have TLT. And TLT is as well a position I started to build on October 2nd, add a little bit along the way, and it went up absolutely nicely, especially yesterday. 2.15% it went up. I do believe that it is probably going to see a little bit of a pullback soon, once reality is kicking in terms of economy and, of course, interest rates. So maybe a trailing stop loss is going to be what is needed next. So as you guys know, I am doing a trading pit challenge. I have a 50,000 US dollar demo account there, and I haven't taken any position yet. 7 days already passed, but as you know, the market is overextended and I am waiting for a pullback. At least I believe the risk reward ratio is not super favorable, so I am going to wait a little bit longer. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. It would help me a lot. If you wanna also do the trading pit challenge, make sure you use the link in my description to support me if you wish to. Also, I do have an interactive brokers account. You can use my affiliate link if you wanna open an account with them. That would help me out a lot as well. I really like interactive brokers. I use it on a daily basis. The software they have is old-fashioned but super professional grade, so I am all into it. That's it for today. My name is Benjamin and I'll talk to you soon.